The RK61 Red Switch Keyboard offers versatile connectivity options, allowing users to switch seamlessly between 2.4 GHz wireless Bluetooth and wired connections. Its compact 61-key design makes it an ideal choice for saving space while still providing all necessary functionalities for both office and home use. The hot-swappable red switches provide a smooth and fast typing experience, which is particularly favored by gaming enthusiasts. With 18 RG backlight modes, 8 monochrome modes, and 1 full color mode, the keyboard creates an immersive gaming environment. The keyboard is ergonomically designed with an 8-degree angle to reduce strain during long gaming sessions, complemented by an integrated wrist rest for added comfort. The RK61 is lightweight at 500 grams, making it easily portable while retaining robust build quality.